Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the CapCut network problem. This problem usually happens because CapCut not available in some countries. As you can see, my filters are not loading. To fix this, open the Play Store and search for Hola VPN. Then install the app and open it. Now from the app list, select CapCut and choose the country where CapCut is available. After that, continue and allow the VPN to turn on. So CapCut will launch automatically and you will see the filters start loading. That means you are now connected to the country where CapCut is available. If it doesn't work the first time, try different countries in Hola VPN until you find one that works. If this method helped you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.